In this lecture, we're going to show how we can compare assembly documents. This is the same procedure when we were comparing part documents. So we want to find what was added to the new document, what details were added or were removed. So let's go to evaluate and compare documents. The reference document is assembly and the modified is assembly 2. And we're going to compare document properties and geometry. Let's run comparison. And now we have a warning that face comparison can be done, only volume, and that's okay. And here in our first step, we have what is the size, when is the last time saved, location, and so on. In the second step, we can see what material is added. So if we click here, material to add, we can see that to our new document, those 4 parts were added. Or we can see what is removed. We have nothing. We just added those materials. We can click here on the common volume, and this is the common volume. That is the same. And when you click here, material to add, we see this is added. And this is how you can compare your assembly documents.